Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 7 at its Galaxy Unpacked event, introducing a thinner and lighter foldable flagship with upgraded hardware, improved displays, and enhanced durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 measures just 4.2mm unfolded and 8.9mm when folded, and reducing the weight from 239g to 215g. Galaxy Z Fold 7 come in silver shadow, jet black, blue shadow. The cover display is a 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with FHD Plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 for protection, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The primary screen is a gorgeous 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a QXGA Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung is bringing top-tier performance on the Z Fold 7, which is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. This chip is paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. The Fold 7 marks a first for the series by introducing a 200MP main rear camera, joined by a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Battery capacity remains at 4,400 mAh, with 25W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless support. In the global market, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts from $1,999 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.